Today we decided to have a feast of our favorite street food that we enjoy here in Jangyu, since this is our last week because we're moving on Wednesday in another place and we're gonna miss all this food, so we've decided to have them. However, when I went to the market, they're closed, so most of them are closed, and some of the ones that are open are still there. And we bought a few, but they gave us a lot of, like they always do. Anyway, this one is my favorite too. We always buy that whenever we're here, but I'm gonna miss them when we move to another place. This fruit stand is where we always buy fruits, and that's where we buy our stuffs. Anyway, we arrive home and this is what we got: our favorite tteokbokki. I forgot the name of this, but it's delicious. It's a fried squid. It's a Yam chicken, pudding, of course. I really love this umok, and yenao chicken. And the tteokbokki place comes with this ujing otigim and sundae and umok. They're all together. I got them in one place, and they gave us a lot. This is one of our favorite actually, like fried street food. I really forgot the name of this, but it's delicious. This place is the most delicious tteokbokki in Jangyu. And this umok is really delicious too. I always buy this in Sijang, and they always give me a lot of free stuffs. And we're gonna miss them so much. The yenao chicken is really delicious. I'm not really into this, but one time I tried it and it is really good. So since then, every time I go to Sijang, I always grab this. Chicken is also a must try when you are in Korea. You should try this. It's like a traditional fried chicken in Korea, like the original fried chicken. And this one is my favorite too, sundae. I can never get enough of sundae. We have this kind of dish in my hometown in Philippines. Igor people eat this, so I kind of related with it. And this is my favorite here in Korea. That's why it's my favorite in Korea. And this tteokbokki is very spicy, but it's very delicious. Thank you for watching.